Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tater tots at home. I know that sounds difficult, but I promise you it's not. We need a few simple ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen. These taste 10 times better than anything you can get in the grocery store. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of russet potatoes. Now if you want them peeled, you can definitely peel them. I like to put the skins in there. I just like potato skins. I think it provides more of a flavor and you get nutrition from them as well. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and some salt and pepper. We're going to take our potatoes, we're going to put them in a nice sized pot, we're going to fill them till just covered with cold water, and we're going to bring them up to a boil, and we're going to let them boil for about 6 to 7 minutes until they are par cooked. Our potatoes are done. You want to strain them, and you want to let them cool before we start to shred them. All right, I have a hand shredder here. Whatever way that you seem to do it is perfectly fine. I like to use the fine side. All we're gonna do is take it and just shred our potatoes up until they're all gone. Our potatoes are beautifully shredded. Now, if they're still very wet, I recommend that you take them and put them in a cheesecloth and wring out as much moisture as possible. And once you're done doing that, we're gonna add in our flour and our seasonings, and we're gonna get these coated and mixed together. Now to form our tater tots, you can use a spoon or a scoop, and the size just really depends on you and how big you want your tater tots. I'm just gonna form a small little log, just flatten the top and the sides, kind of like a rectangle, just like that. I'll do it again for you real quick so you can see how I did that. Little scoop, form it into a rectangle. They're good to go. I'm gonna bust the rest of these out. Our tater tots are now formed. We're gonna fry these. Now you can fry them on the stove. I'm gonna use a deep fryer, but we're gonna want to fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, our tater tots are done. Now with anything fried, as soon as it comes out of the fryer, I'm gonna give it a little hit of salt. Let's plate these. Now you can plate these any way you want. I like to just make a nice big pile of them for me to eat. Leave a little room for your dipping sauce. These would go great with an aioli or ketchup, whatever your taste. Just give them a dip and it'll be fantastic. Now let's get a taste. All right, let's dig in. Perfectly crispy. They're hot. That is so good. The exterior is perfectly crisp. The inside's light and fluffy. And really tasty potato. None of the seasonings or the oregano in there is overpowering. This is fantastic. You can really customize these as well. If you want to throw in partially cooked bacon or cheese or both of them, they're fantastic as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. So hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.